Hello guys, review Poco X6 version 12GB RAM memory and 256GB storage. White color, okay, open box and look completion. In completion we have of course device. On this documentary and protected back cover. Adapter for charging with quick charge, 67 watt, and Type-C cable, USB to Type-C. Okay. Device made of plastic, triple camera on the back side, on the front side 6.67 inch. On this side without controls, this side power button and warm buttons, fingerprint scanner in display, upside headphones jack, downside slot for SIM cards, Type-C port and speaker. Turn on device. We have Full HD Plus resolution display AMOLED, 120 Hz refresh rate, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, and open settings. Look, Android version we have 13, MIUI Global 14.0.6, MIUI Global 14.0.6. Open Geekbench 6 and look results. CPU test results and GPU test results. CPU we have Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 and Adreno 710. Okay, results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Close this. Open Antutu benchmark score. Good results. And PUBG Mobile works on the high graphic level. Okay, close this. Open camera. I show you photos on the main camera. Main camera 64 plus 8 plus 2 megapixels. Video we have recording 4K 30 fps or 1080 60 fps. Okay, close this, look photos. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.